เมื่อมองดูนกพกพินบินลับไปเมื่อมองสายชนถึงไหลรินยามเหงา
Speaking of Thai, that was a huge Thai bar, hostess bar. What do they call it? Siam bar. Called Nana. Nana. We go from the front. So we're gonna go to this super Thai place because obviously my wife is getting cold turkey on Thailand because she cannot travel for this year. Well, we both cannot travel. We love Thailand, especially the Thai food. So I think this is one of the few places in Singapore that makes a variety of Thai food like curries and stuff. Southern Thai curry, which actually you can't find in Singapore, or not many places. I don't know anywhere else that makes them. So Jason, the owner, used to work for me long time ago in his other life. After NS, he joined my company as a graphic designer. But now he's a full-fledged super Thai chef.
หิวมาก
Thanks, chef.
Okay, but this is
You wanna tell us what's this one? Huh?
this is fried fish with crispy basil and crispy garlic. And
Fried fish is it?
fried fish.
This one?
This is sour curry, keng som.
Keng som.
Yeah, made with fish meat, chili paste, homemade chili paste, fish meat, and prawns and omelette with acacia leaves.
Okay. Is this considered southern?
So this is more central Thai.
Central
Yeah.
Thai. And this one?
This is southern curry.
Oh,
This
this-
Kwak Ling.
Kwak Ling.
Yeah. This is the one with the southern curry.
Okay. Wow, looks good, man.
This is super dope, man. It's very good, very good.
There's a bit of both.
So this is a fried fish with crispy basil leaf, holy basil. Very nice. It's like a starter. This one, this is a southern Thai style curry. Very nice. Very spicy. And then this one is a sour prawn curry, more central style. I told him to make it a bit more pedas.
ใช้สุดอร่อยอ่ะ
Aroya.
อร่อยมาก
How do you say sedap, like delicious, in
delicious
Thai?
อร่อย
Aroya.
อร่อย A R O I the mark is very close อร่อยมาก
Mak aroy.
อร่อยมาก
Aroy mak.
Usually, some of the new stuff usually I will do.
So what's the weekly special?
No, weekly special usually the Chiang Mai stuff they will do. The rest of the stuff I will do. But this one we're starting to sell during the special, for the special weekly special. This one with this book.
Yeah.
We have started to sell, but this not yet.
This one not
because I
yet.
think this don't travel very well. Because it's fried.
Right,
Oh, okay.
Online for online orders, like mostly all Thai.
Yeah, because I saw your Facebook, you're posting the menu, it's all in Thai.
Yeah.
I said, wow, must be a lot of Thai customer.
Yeah, from the online menu, people usually like from Thai because like if you cater a local market, mostly they all sell the usual stuff, the green curry, pad
Green curry,
thai.
yeah.
So prefer to like do something a bit different. This we use a paste to cook this. This is all made from scratch. This was a paste made from scratch.
Yeah.
That's why I don't think you see this very often outside because the green curry usually is like can be bought off the shelf.
So how's it been, man, doing this Thai? How long has it been now, man?
9 coming 10.
10 years already.
9 coming 10. Next year will be the 10th year.
Wow.
Fast, right? Very long.
Fast, man.
Very fast.
I mean, you're a Singaporean guy, right? Young Singaporean guy. I remember when you first worked for us, right? You just finished NS, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you worked for like 1 or 2 years, and then
Yeah. Before NS.
Yeah.
Then I think after NS a while.
then you went to Bangkok for a holiday, and then you met your wife,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Then you met your wife, and then you got married, and then you opened SuperSiam.
Yeah.
SuperSiam. Siam, right?
Yeah.
And it's been 10 years.
Mm.
So how did you, a Singaporean guy, adjust your palate, right, to be able to cook something like this? Because this, when I taste it, to me it tastes very Thai, like what you would get in Bangkok.
Because from time to time I will travel to Bangkok.
Yeah.
Right, last time I go for like short courses, classes.
Or in
Yeah.
Bangkok itself.
In Bangkok itself.
Your wife is from Bangkok or from Chiang
No,
Mai?
from Chiang Mai.
Oh, she's from Chiang Mai.
Yeah, from Chiang Mai.
Ah.
So yeah, from time to time I will go there. Then I usually when I eat there, after a long time I think you get used to the taste.
Yeah.
You know how it should be.
Yeah,
What's
yeah.
available.
Yeah. Okay, aside from pad kaprao, which is the basil, Thai basil dish, this is one of our favorites. Stewed pork. Right, Boo Boo? We taste the broth. Very good. Good. Huh? The taste is just right.
เมื่อมองดูนก
Good crab. Thank you so much, man. It was delicious.
Thanks for coming.
Very,
Appreciate it.
very authentic. It was delicious. Right, delicious, right?
อร่อย
Aroy, Thank you so much. Say hi to your wife for us. Super delicious dinner. Very authentic. And did you enjoy it, Boo Boo? Aroy.
อร่อยมาก
Aroy ma. Amazing that a young Singaporean kid opened up a super authentic Thai restaurant, making all types of different types of Thai curries that you probably can't find in Singapore that common. And his SuperSiam has been open for coming to 10 years. I think to have a F&B outlet in Singapore for 10 years is a huge feat. So testament to his hard work and good food. Yeah? Okay, time to go back and really khop kun krab.